Hi, I'm Janet McCabe. I'm the Associate Dean for Nursing at Ontario Tech University, and I'm here today to talk about our nursing programs. I think this is probably my 11th take of this video, but I'm determined to make it the last take too. So thank you for joining us for the comfort of your own home as I attempt to do this from the comfort of my own home. Let's talk about our nursing program. Our program is a fully integrated collaborative that we offer in conjunction with Durham College. As a student, that means that you never have to move campuses, that you only have to learn one set of institutional regulations, and that our faculty, whether they be from Durham College or the university, are highly qualified and can teach across all 4 years, which means that when you're in a classroom, that instructor in front of you is bringing their passion for nursing into the classroom. So you're benefiting from that excitement and their knowledge. We have over 1,000 hours of clinical practice in our Bachelor's of Science nursing program. That means that you are getting experience in long-term care, mental health, family and child health, community care, and acute care, as well as 2 preceptored placements in your final year, which means that you are paired one-on-one with a registered nurse as you prepare to transition to your role as a registered nurse. Our mental health clinical rotation is definitely a hallmark of our program and not something that all of the nursing programs in Ontario can offer. We're very grateful that we can give students a foundation in mental health because of the number of people in our society that it affects. And you will encounter it in any clinical role that you take on as a registered nurse. We offer a really great skills lab. We have a skills lab where students learn to practice their nursing skills from bed baths to IV insertions, as well as a high fidelity simulation lab where we can mimic cardiac arrest, childbirth, postpartum hemorrhage, and a range of complex medical conditions so that students have the opportunity to experience that before they see it in real life. When you become a registered nurse, the world is really your oyster. Upon graduation, you're eligible to write the NCLEX, which is the licensure exam that's required to become an RN, and become licensed with the College of Nurses of Ontario. I encourage everyone to review the College of Nurses of Ontario website and learn what it takes to become registered as a registered nurse. In addition, career opportunities in nursing are endless. You could be an acute care nurse, you could be a mental health nurse, you may work in the community, you may go on to do research and complete graduate degrees. It's an amazing profession and one that I am very grateful to have entered as a high school student going into my university education. I never thought in a million years I would be, well, sitting here in my living room talking to you as an Associate Dean of Nursing. I've experienced so many wonderful things as a nurse, and I'm sure you will learn all about your other colleagues and future registered nurses' experiences throughout your time in our program. If you have any questions, we are always available. Please reach out to us, and we will do our very best to answer them. I'm hoping that some of you that are listening I've met at our Ontario Universities Fair, and that if you have any questions, again, please call or email and reach out to us, and we'll do our best to answer them. I hope you're all having a great day, are staying safe, and enjoying some quality time with all of your family members, as we all are as well. All right, everyone take care, and it's been a pleasure talking to you.